Okay. Konnichiwa. Oh, you don't know Japanese? Well, get up your lady butts and learn Japanese, people. God. What do they teach kids these days? Science and math and all that stuff? We need to get up your lady butts and teach language. It actually is a language class. Sorry. But today we're going to talk about bees. Yes, bees. Hold on, I'm going to move the camera. Okay, yeah. Because I do not like sunlight attracting me. So, anyway. So, hello guys. Today we're going to talk about bees, the wonderful nature. And I'm outside because why not be outside when you're talking about bees? Because bees are outside. And you probably just see one go across my head. That's all I want. Hopefully not. But, and something crazy yesterday happened. I felt like there was like a bee in my hair, and I was like, oh my gosh, somebody get this thing away from me, whatever it is. But it's okay, so it's over now. But today we're going to talk about bees. I just said that like 5 minutes. Oh, go. So let's go. So bees. They are basically sneaking around, and they don't care. They're just laying, just stepping up. They're just sniffing their flowers, just trotting along, getting in their way. And they're just really annoying. And they're yellow, fat honeybees, which those are in Australia. If you're in Australia, you're screwed. But, I don't even know if scared's a bad word. Oh, sorry. Okay, what are we talking about? Okay, we're talking about bees. And they always get in your way, and they're always like, what is this flower? And then when you were just about to pick that flower, like, seriously, bees, like, I don't even want them to exist. The same as spiders. Okay, that's all I wanted to talk about is bees. But they're pretty nice. They get honey for us and stuff. But yeah, they're pretty nice sometimes. I don't mean like all the time, but they're just like nice sometimes. And I don't know why I'm sitting on a tractor. This is not really naturey. I don't want to get my butt dirty and sitting on the grass. So, yeah. And all this area is wet because of rain. I mean, it didn't rain yesterday, but still. But yeah. So, see you later. Bye. Bye, face.